So the way my day starts is that I'm taking public transit. I used to hate this part of my commute, but I started doing things that I found a little bit entertaining. Like I'm trying to learn Spanish, so I have this Spanish book that I'm listening to and reading. So that makes things a little bit better. Then it's kind of fun when I finally get out of the train because I'm in New York City, baby. Midtown, crazy over here. My office is like a nice retreat. It's so quiet. Not many people are in because it's the holiday time. So, I just get myself situated, get my laptop together. First thing I do in the morning time is really just check my email, check Slack, make sure nobody wants anything from me, review my task for the day, which is a project that I'm working on, and figure out how I'm going to break up that day in order to get everything done by 5 p.m., which is when I'm finished. So this is me just, getting some things together, figuring out the best way to do it. And then I got lunch. All right, so I'm on my lunch break right now, and I had to go to the USPS post office to be able to, return an Amazon package. Working from the office now, it's harder to do little tasks like that, like put in laundry, run to the post office, stuff like that. But it is cool because, I'm in a really central area. So on my lunch break, I can run out and I can just do little tasks like that, which is kind of nice. So did that. And also I like to get some fresh air because I love being outside. And, when you're in the office all day, it's not super motivating. You don't get a lot of sunlight depending on where you sit, especially at my new office. I'm not super close to a window. And then basically at work, I got a new project assigned, and that's pretty exciting. It's kind of like, a getting me started project. It's about a notification system, but since I'm working at such a large company, there's a huge process for rolling out new features. So first there's like a project requirements document that my colleague wrote and he sent it to me. And then the part that I have to figure out is the design document, which is how it's gonna be implemented, what's gonna be done to basically, how do I code it? Like before I code it, I'm gonna write a plan for how to do it, and I get my coworkers to approve it, review it. Everyone sees if they like it. If they like it, then I start implementing it. So this project, I don't have too much guidance on how to do it, which is kind of, a little bit stressful because no one on my team has set up a notification system type thing before. So I'm gonna be the first one to do it. On the team, I gotta figure it out, asking a lot of people from different parts of the company and stuff like that for a bit of guidance. But the cool thing is that after I do it, if anyone on my team wants to do it in the future, I'll be like someone they can look to for help, sort of like a resource in that area, which is nice for career development, I guess. You know what I mean? Anyways, I'm gonna head back to work because my lunch break is about wrapping up, and also I'm low-key cold because today it's about 5 degrees Celsius, which is just too cold in my opinion. It's too cold. So back at work, basically finishing up some tasks, getting back to some messages. I find it so hard to finish like the last 5 hours of the day, but I had a coffee real quick because I'm headed to the gym. I realized that if I don't go to the gym after work, I'm not going to the gym. So today I did some shoulders, I did some chest, and I did a little bit of back. I kind of did whatever I wanted to do. It was like, no, today's about me. I'm doing what I want to do. And then after that, I just got on the train, got ready to get back home, finished my day. Of course, so busy, New York City, all the time. But you kind of get used to it, and it turns out to be not so bad. All right, so pretty much that's kind of what my day looks like as a software engineer, a day in a life in New York City. It's a lot of commuting. It's me trying to stick to a routine and me trying to eat healthy. I did leave out some parts of my day, like my morning routine and kind of what I did after. But definitely can make more videos on this topic if you guys liked it. I made this one because someone in my last video commented that they wanted to see a day in a life. So here it is. Make sure if you guys liked the video to leave a comment down below. Subscribe if you haven't. And let me know what else you guys want to see. Until then, I'll see you guys in the next video.